In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a perfect circle in Google Slides. First, you have to go to the Insert menu, click Shape, go to Shapes again, and then select Oval. Yes, it's called Oval even though we are going to create a perfect circle. Now you have to press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard. This will ensure that the circle that we are the oval we are going to create is going to be perfect. So just press and hold the Shift key and then draw the circle. Now we have this perfect circle, and that's basically it. But speaking about circle, you can also apply circleness into any picture in your Google Slides document. I want to apply that to this image, but before you can do that, you have to make sure that this picture is perfectly square. You can resize it, or you can also just crop it. Just double click on it and then go to Format Options, and you can change the width to let's say 9 cm, and the height is also the same as the width, so it's going to be exactly square. So you can also adjust which area should be visible after you crop this image. Click anywhere to apply the setting, and there you go. Now this picture is perfectly square. Now you can click on the picture again, go to Mask Image next to the crop option, click Shapes and click Oval, and that will turn the image into circle. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful.